Hi friends, it's Shtuki. Today we are cooking delicious homemade dumplings. The ingredients for dumplings are also listed in the description box. Let's begin by taking hot water, add salt and stir it to dissolve it well. Add eggs to the water and mix them as well with a stick to get a homogeneous mixture. Now add sunflower oil and all flour according to the recipe. Mix everything with a wooden stick or a spoon. Then begin to knead the dough with your hands. At first it will not be easy. If after 10 minutes of kneading the dough is still wet and sticky to the hands, add a little flour. Transfer the dough to the table and begin to knead with hands for about 5 to 7, maybe 10 minutes in total. In the end, the dough should be soft and homogeneous, not sticky. You can throw it on the table, so it also becomes more soft. Form the dough into a ball shape, put it in the pot and cover with lid and towel. Leave dough for 1 hour. And now let's make meat. All the ingredients are in the description as well. I use 2 types of meat, pork and beef, half by half. I divide the meat into small pieces, so they went well in the meat grinder. Life hack! Use a bag, so minced meat will not fly around the kitchen. Make meat mixture with onion and garlic. Now soak white bread in milk. It's very handy when you get help with washing dishes. Now add salt, pepper and bread to our meat. Bread must be squeezed out of excess milk. Shake hands so it fell into small pieces. Minced meat must be well stirred with your hands for quite a while, and then start to throw and flap it, so minced meat became homogeneous. It's time to make dumplings. Sprinkle table with flour and roll a piece of dough. Then, using a shot glass or special tool, cut out 4 cm circles. Collect the rest of the dough and return it to the total dough. Add meat to the center of the circle, like a sandwich. Fold dough in half. Stick ends. You get dumplings ready. You can leave it in a month's shape if you like, or you can do this classic shape of Russian dumpling. Take the ends and combine them in a cute curl and pinch it. We came up with the idea to put the dumplings on a cut plastic lunch bag, so we can store them in layers in the freezer. It is important that the dumplings do not touch each other, then they will not stick together during freezing. Sprinkle them with flour very well. To make layers in freezer, you need 2 people. One holds the plastic bag at the end and the other pulls out a wooden board baking, and so you can form multiple layers to keep many dumplings. After a night in the freezer, dumplings are ready to be spread on the bags. We like to keep packages of about 20 dumplings to make it easy to cook, and you always know how many you have in a portion. From our amount of ingredients, it came out 500 dumplings. I made them for about 8 hours. Now, it's time to try. You can find detailed instruction on how to cook dumplings in the description to this video. This is the most delicious dumplings I have ever tried in my life. I like to eat dumplings with mayonnaise. And what about you? Write in the comments. Bon appetit!